It's Miss Lee and I'm the cold stove girl. Wagwan, what's good, what's poppin'? Today I'll be making some pancakes, and not just boring pancakes, I'm making some oatmeal pancakes. Stick around to see the results. And for this, I'm not using any specific measurement, but this is about half pound of flour to about maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, but you can put more if you like. 1 tablespoon baking powder, a tablespoon and a half brown sugar. I'm using milk and it's already sweetened, so we don't need no past sweetener or something, yeah. And about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And the milk I'm using is Monster milk. You want to look a box of Monster milk, not plain milk. So the small box of milk wasn't enough, so I added some water, you know, to make the consistency just where I want it. On a regular day, I would add 1 egg, but because these were very small, yeah, common fowl egg, country settings, we'd have to use 2. So you can use 1. Please do remember to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment now. Tell me what you think. Until next time, What good?